Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Tuesday, April 7th, 2026. Hope you're doing well. All right, so this is the daily chart first, folks, on the NASDAQ. And, what I mentioned here was, overall, we're still in a downtrend, right? So we've had a few days of a bounce, and it looks like we're trying to potentially get bullish, but we're not there yet, right? We have to see at this point on a bigger time frame, on a daily perspective, are we going to hold and then roll back down, or are we finally going to change directions? Again, we're still in sell zone territory. So with that in mind, today in the WealthCharts live training room, I was definitely biased to the downside. We can see here's the 9:30 open. We definitely stayed bearish here. We got through the point of control here pretty quickly this morning. So at 9:45, I was looking for short opportunities. And again, with these bearish candles here, though, this is when I look to start entering. Then if I go to the time frame, in this case on the 1 minute, where we're entering into trades, you can see here's the 10 a.m. candle, folks. Right here, we had a TRP cross, a HADS right here. This was my entry. I got in and out. I got 26 ticks on the NQ because, again, just based on current conditions with news coming out at any point throughout the day, I didn't want to stay into a trade. So I got in and out, really, really fast with 26 ticks. And that was the trade for today. So again, folks, if you're interested, come join me tomorrow at 9:30 Eastern in the WealthCharts live training room. So again, how do you get there? Come up here to the hamburger menu. You go to Education, Wealth Chart Events. Again, you can put that anywhere on your chart. And then from there, you'll see tomorrow the 8th, which is Wednesday, and you'll click on there and you'll have access to me at 9:30 tomorrow morning. So hope to see you all there. Great trade in the WealthCharts live training room today. See you all tomorrow. Take care.